In front of me is Nokia G42, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down right away. Following that, click on Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts and tap on Add Contact. Now just tap on all of the ones that you wish to add. In order to remove one of the added ones, select this X next to it and confirm your choice in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, all of my contacts were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!